This is a short demonstration of how to use the new Ergobaby Easy Snug infant insert with the original carrier to carry your newborn weighing at least 7 pounds. You need the insert to carry your baby up to about 4 months and until your baby shows strong head and neck control and can be seated in the carrier in an ergonomic M-shaped position. Meet Brianna and baby Ben. They will be happy to show you how to use the new Easy Snug infant insert with your infant. First, check the infant insert pillow is well positioned, triangle facing up on the front, deep in the infant insert shell. Attach the infant insert to the carrier shoulder straps using the 4 tabs. Attach the lower tabs to the shoulder straps webbing on the sides. Now attach the upper tabs to the top of the carrier around the shoulder straps. For your younger infant, use the inner snaps at the top for a tighter support. When baby starts to hold his head for a few moments and turn it from side to side, you can start using the outer snaps. This happens usually around 6 weeks. Now you can put the carrier on. First, fasten and tighten the waist belt. Slide the buckle through the safety elastic. Pull the excess webbing all the way through above it. Pull the strap until you get a tight fit. Center the carrier on the front. Loosen both shoulder straps and check they are securely buckled through the safety elastic and above it. Insert your arm through one shoulder strap and tighten. Prepare the cozy seat to welcome your baby by nestling the infant insert down into the carrier seat with the bottom slightly rotated towards you. You are ready to place your baby in the carrier. Pick up your baby. Make sure to support his head. Hold him tummy to tummy and lower him into the carrier, gently guiding him deep inside the infant insert, with his legs resting on both sides of the infant insert in an ergonomic M-shaped position. Insert your arm through the second shoulder strap, holding the back panel with the other hand. You can loosen the first shoulder strap to make it easier for you to reach the chest strap and fasten it over your head. Tighten the shoulder straps one at a time until you feel comfortable. Make sure both straps are the same length. The chest strap should be in the middle of your shoulder blades. Roll the excess webbing and secure it with the elastic at the end. Repeat with the other straps. Here are some helpful tips to check your baby is ergonomically and comfortably positioned in the Easy Snug infant insert and carrier. Your baby's legs are in an ergonomic spread squat M-shaped position, with thighs fully supported. Pull the padding of the infant insert up to the hollows behind your baby's knees if needed. Your infant's legs will rest inside of the carrier and will naturally start to stick out of the carrier as he grows. Your baby's back should be slightly rounded in a C shape and comfortably resting close on your chest. Make sure the top of the infant insert is at mid-ear level of your baby for proper support. Gently pull on the infant insert back panel if necessary. Your baby should be high on your chest, close enough to kiss. Make sure your baby's airway is clear and that you can see his face at all times. To remove baby, loosen the shoulder straps while holding your baby. Unbuckle the chest strap and slip the shoulder straps off one at a time while holding baby. Place your baby somewhere safe and you are done.